It all begins with the raw bones, collected and laid out under the sun.
Every skull is carefully inspected before entering the processing line.
Sorting ensures only the right bones proceed to treatment.
Preparation for transport is meticulous, keeping bones in perfect order. From this dry ground, the journey toward prosthetic teeth begins. Precision handling prevents damage to fragile bones. Organized layout ensures efficiency for the next phase.
Detail matters. Each bone is examined for quality.
Every bone is accounted for as it begins the industrial journey.
Each step is coordinated to maintain integrity of the bones.
Bones are gathered, ready for transport to the processing facility.
Protection during transport keeps bones intact for the factory process.
From these dry grounds, the raw material enters the factory, beginning its transformation.
The journey continues as raw bones reach the factory gates. Careful handling ensures bones remain intact for processing.
Bones are transported inside, ready for cleaning and preparation.
The conveyor becomes the first step in the industrial transformation.
Each crate is positioned precisely for the next phase.
Attention to detail prevents damage during automated movement.
A thorough rinse begins, removing surface dust and debris. Every surface is washed, ensuring a clean start for chemical treatment. Cleaned bones are ready to advance toward initial treatment. Proper drying ensures bones are prepped for the next chemical processes.
After washing, each bone undergoes meticulous scraping to remove residue.
Precision ensures every surface is perfectly prepared.
Each piece is carefully handled, maintaining structural integrity.
Mechanical brushing speeds up cleaning without harming the bone.
A final rinse ensures every surface is spotless before treatment.
Every bone is checked for imperfections before moving forward.
Conveyors maintain smooth flow, linking each cleaning stage seamlessly.
Detail work ensures the bones are ready for initial chemical treatment.
Drying prepares the bones for the next stage of transformation. Every bone, perfectly cleaned and scraped, is ready to enter the chemical process. The first chemical bath penetrates the bone, beginning the transformation process. Submersion ensures each bone is treated evenly and thoroughly. Rinsing removes residual chemicals, preparing bones for curing. Proper drying ensures bones retain shape and strength for the next stage.
Initial treatment completes the first step in turning raw bones into functional dental material.
Bones enter the curing ovens, where controlled heat strengthens and prepares them for further processing. Precision temperature control ensures uniform curing across every piece. Cured bones are carefully handled to maintain their shape and structural integrity. Cooling and drying solidify the chemical treatment, preparing bones for shaping.
Inspection guarantees only perfectly cured bones continue forward.
Brushing ensures surfaces are perfectly smooth for cutting and shaping.
The conveyor links each process seamlessly, keeping the workflow continuous.
Every detail is visible, ensuring the bones are ready for precise shaping.
Chemical tanning and curing complete. Bones are ready for industrial shaping.
Perfectly treated bones are now set for shaping into teeth and jaws. Cured bones are guided into precision cutting machines to begin their transformation.
Precision machinery carves each bone into the exact shape needed for dental prosthetics. Precision machinery carves each bone into the exact shape needed for dental prosthetics.
Every piece is measured carefully to ensure accuracy and uniformity.
Smoothing prepares each tooth and jaw for assembly, removing rough edges. Conveyors maintain workflow, connecting shaping with assembly seamlessly.
Every detail is inspected to ensure perfect anatomical form.
Precision placement readies the bones for final assembly into prosthetics.
Automated fastening ensures each jaw and tooth maintains exact anatomical structure.
Every piece is examined again to guarantee quality and consistency.
Cutting and shaping complete, the bones now take the form of functional dental prosthetics.
Shaped teeth and jaws arrive at the assembly line, ready to form complete prosthetics.
Each tooth is meticulously positioned to replicate natural dental anatomy.
Robotic precision ensures every jaw assembly meets exact specifications. Curing solidifies the assembly, ensuring durability and precision. Polishing removes rough edges, creating smooth, realistic dental surfaces.
Each prosthetic is double-checked for perfect fit and appearance.
The assembled prosthetics are now ready for packaging and shipment. From shaping to assembly, the dental prosthetics take their final form before packaging. The completed prosthetics are carefully arranged, ready for quality control. Each assembly is examined one last time before leaving the factory floor. Meticulous inspection ensures every prosthetic meets exact standards.
Proper storage keeps assemblies organized and protected until packaging. Labeling guarantees traceability and quality assurance for each batch.
Protective wrapping keeps assemblies safe during transport.
Every assembly is now staged and ready for shipment or further handling.
The dental prosthetics are now fully assembled, polished, and ready for packaging.
The prosthetics are transferred to packaging tables, ready to be boxed for shipment. Each tray is carefully placed to prevent movement during transport.
Sealing boxes ensures the prosthetics remain secure until delivery.
Proper labeling guarantees traceability and correct delivery of every order.
Conveyors maintain smooth flow, connecting packaging to storage and shipment.
Forklifts transport completed packages efficiently to storage or shipping areas. Stacking ensures organized storage and easy access for shipping.
Each package is double-checked for security and accuracy before leaving the factory.
Packages are delivered efficiently to the loading dock, ready for transport.
The dental prosthetics are now securely packaged and ready for distribution.
The finished prosthetics begin their journey, loaded carefully for transport.
Each pallet is secured in the truck to ensure safe delivery. The prosthetics are now on the road, headed to distributors and retailers.
The dental prosthetics reach the retail floor, ready for presentation.
Careful unpacking preserves the integrity of every assembly.
Each tray is displayed neatly for easy access and selection. Every prosthetic is presented clearly, highlighting quality and precision.
Inventory checks ensure stock is accurate and ready for customers.
Displays are designed for clarity and easy selection by dental professionals. Professionals select trays carefully, examining each assembly for quality.
Assistance ensures customers receive exactly what they need.
Selected prosthetics are prepared for purchase and final packaging.
Protective packaging ensures prosthetics remain safe until use.
Every prosthetic is delivered with care, ready for its intended application.
Ongoing replenishment keeps the retail area organized and ready. The quality and organization of the display reflects the precision of the manufacturing process.
The dental prosthetics are now ready for purchase, completing their journey from factory to retail display.
At checkout, every prosthetic is scanned to ensure accurate processing.
Post-scan, each prosthetic is safely packed for the final handover.
Every prosthetic reaches the customer ready for professional use.
Transactions are recorded, completing the retail process with precision. Every prosthetic is handled with care until it leaves the counter.
Each prosthetic completes its journey from factory to the professional who will use it.
And this is how modern factories produce dental prosthetics from start to finish.